So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps without Apple ID password on iPhone. You need to turn off this feature on your iPhone if you ever want to install application from the Apple App Store or your iPhone without Face ID or passcode. Now, to do this, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and select screen time. Then scroll down, click on content and privacy restriction. Then enable content and privacy restriction. Here you'll be prompted to type in your screen time passcode. If you forgot your screen time passcode, you can simply click on change screen time passcode in the previous section. Now type in your screen time passcode. Click on iTunes and App Store purchases. Under require password, set it to do not require. And you can see require a password for additional purchases after making a purchase with your Apple ID password from the iTunes book or Apple Store. So with this feature disabled, when you select don't require, your Apple App Store will no longer require password to install application on your iPhone. So if you find this really interesting, you want to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.